Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Azure RBAC roles for virtual machine management, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into the Azure portal with your credentials. In the Azure portal, navigate to the subscriptions section from the left-hand menu. Select the subscription where your virtual machines are located. Next, click on Access Control, IAM, from the menu options. In the Access Control pane, click on the plus Add button. Choose Add Role Assignment from the drop-down menu. In the Role section, search for and select the Virtual Machine Contributor role. This role allows users to manage virtual machines without granting full access to the subscription. Next, in the Assign Access To section, select the type of identity you want to assign the role to. You can choose between a user, group, or service principal. In the Select section, search for the specific user or group you wish to grant access to. After selecting the appropriate identity, review the role assignment details. Once verified, click the Save button to apply the changes. You will see a notification confirming that the role assignment has been created successfully. Now, navigate to the Virtual Machines section in the Azure portal. Select an individual virtual machine to verify the role assignment. In the Machines Overview page, check the Access Control, IAM, section. Here, you should see the newly assigned role listed under the Roles Assigned tab. To ensure proper access, log in using the newly assigned account or group. Verify that they can manage the virtual machines as intended. If necessary, repeat these steps to assign additional roles as needed for other resources. Finally, review the role assignments periodically to ensure security compliance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.